quadratic polynomial x square minus x minus 2. So before reading the complete question, whenever you have alpha and beta, so this is the shortcut where you have to notice. Okay, alpha and beta, and I have a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation x square minus x minus 2. From this, I have to find what is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Therefore, alpha plus beta is minus, b value is minus 1. So, minus into minus is plus 1. Divided by a value is also 1. Next is the product, that is alpha beta. Alpha beta is c by a. Therefore, alpha beta is equal to c value is minus 2 divided by 1. Okay. So now you have to find the polynomial whose zeros are. So these are the zeros of a new polynomial. Therefore, these are the zeros of the new polynomial. So the equation or the formula for new polynomial is equal to k into x square minus sum x plus product. So you should know the value of sum and product or S and P. So please don't take it as alpha plus beta as sum and alpha beta as product in this equation, because you have to find the equation for a new polynomial whose zeros are these two alpha plus 1 and 2 beta plus 1. Therefore, you know alpha plus beta. Now the new alpha is 2 alpha plus 1. So my sum, okay? Alpha, new alpha is 2 alpha plus 1 plus beta is 2 beta plus 1. Therefore, S is equal to 2 into alpha plus beta plus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, S is equal to 2 into, what is alpha plus beta? It is 1 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Similarly, product is multiplication of these two zeros. That is 2 alpha plus 1 into 2 beta plus 1. The 2 2s are 4 alpha beta plus 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 1. 4 into alpha beta is minus 2 plus 2 into alpha plus 1. Alpha plus beta is 1 plus 1. Okay. So minus 8 plus 3. That is equal to minus 5. Therefore, S is equal to 4. P is equal to minus 5. Therefore, my new equation or new polynomial is k into x square minus 4x minus 5. When k is equal to 1, the equation becomes x square minus 4x minus 5. So this is the new polynomial with zeros, 2 alpha plus 1 and 2 beta plus 1. Okay. So very important sum for class 10th and very easy sum for your board exams. It is from the second chapter, polynomial. Okay. Another very important question. We'll move on to the next question. The second question is a two-digit number is 4 more than 6 times 4 more than the 6 times the sum of its digits. If 18 is subtracted, from the number, the digits are reversed. The digits are reversed. Find the number. Find the number. So very important question where you should do the concept. Very important question based on the concepts. Okay. So now, before getting into the solution of this question, see, when I have a number 36, it can be written as 30 plus 6. Okay, 6 is in units place and 3 is in tens place. Okay, I can split this as 3 into 10 plus 6 into 1. That is, whatever the face value, whatever the number is present in tens place is multiplied with 10, and whatever the number, the face value which is present in one's place is multiplied with 1. Therefore, 36 will be written as 3 into 10 plus 6 into 1. So this concept is important. Now let us get into this question. Okay. Let the number, or I can write the units place digit is equal to units place is x, and then tens place digit is y. Therefore, the number will be yx. Okay, this is the number. You have to find the value of y and x. Okay, see, two-digit number is 4 more than. Then the number will be, when I say yx, tens place digit should be multiplied with the number and 10 plus units place number is x. So this is my two-digit number. Is in the sense equal to 4 more than the, more in the sense again plus 6 times the sum of the digits. Sum of the digits is y plus x. Okay. So this equation is very important. 10y plus x is equal to 4 plus 6y plus 6y. So 10y plus x is equal to, okay, I can transpose this, minus 6y minus 6x is equal to 4. 10 minus 6 is 4y minus 5x is equal to 4. Or I can write 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 4. Okay. So this is equation 1. Now, if 18 is subtracted, okay, now I'm going to subtract 18 from the number. Again, the number is 10y plus x. 18 is subtracted, minus 18. The digits will be reversed. The digit which is yx, it will be reversed as xy. xy in the sense, it is 10x plus y. Okay, simplify this, 10y minus 10x, or I can write it like this itself, plus x minus 18 minus 10x minus y is equal to 0. Okay, it is 9y minus 9x equal to 18, or I can write it as 9x minus 9y equal to minus 18. When I take 9 as common, I'll get it this, that is x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is my equation 2. Okay. Now let us solve these two equations. I think I can solve in this space. Okay. See, 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 4. X minus y is equal to minus 2. Multiply the second equation by 4. So you'll have 5x minus 4y equal to minus 4. This is my first equation. Now, 4x minus 4y is equal to minus 8. Only when I subtract, I can cancel this. Therefore, change the sign. So 5 minus 4 is 1. That is x equal to 4. Now you have x minus y is equal to minus 2. Instead of x, I can substitute as 4 is equal to minus 2. So 4 plus 2 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 6. My number, the original number is yx. The value of y is 6. The value of x is 4. So 64 is the, okay. So very important question with concept. Very good question. It is very important on exam point of view. So we'll move to the next question. Again, this is a very important question where students will go wrong with sign, and it is very easy. An easy question, that is factorization. Solve by factorization. Okay. The most easiest question in your board exam. 4 by x minus 3 is equal to 5 divided by 2x plus 3, where x is not equal to 0 and minus 3 by 2. We have to solve this by using factorization method. Okay, now take LCM. 4 minus 3x whole divided by x is equal to 5 divided by 2x plus 3. Cross multiply 4 minus 3x into 2x plus 3 equal to 5x. Now multiply inside. 4 2s are 8x plus 4 3s are 12 minus 3 2s are 6x square minus 9x minus 5x equal to 0. Okay. So minus 6x square. So on simplifying this, 9 minus 8 is 1 and I have 5. So 6x plus 12 equal to 0. I can take minus 6 as common. So x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So multiply the coefficient of x square, that is 1, and 2, that is minus 2. The factors will be plus 2 and minus 1. Okay. So on adding these two, I'll get it as 1. So this is your middle term splitting. X square plus 2x minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So from these two terms, I can take x as common method. Okay. Factorization method. These are very important questions on exam point of view. There are few shortcuts. Let me tell you what is the shortcut in this sum. Okay. The shortcut is from this part. Okay, I can erase this, right? So I got x is equal to 1 and minus 2. So from here, you know that the coefficient of 1 and the constant is multiplied. So I can write it as x plus 2 into x minus 1 directly. See the factors. I'm going to put a x here. That's it. Okay, just x and here. This shortcut is done only when the coefficient of x square is 1. If I have any value and I'm going to multiply the coefficient of x square with the constant, then I cannot go with this shortcut. Okay, only when my coefficient of x square is 1, I can go to this shortcut. So from this, I can say x plus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2, x minus 1 equal to 0, and x is equal to. The answer is C. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.